What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome back. I don't know if you guys remember, but this is the new addition to the family here. And she is properly named Rainbow. There she goes. She's jumping up on the table there. I've got something kind of cool in that box. Another new sponsorship for my car. We'll get to that probably later in this video or in the next video. There's Moonbeam. Flower is somewhere. We'll probably see her in a little bit. Got my birds chirping. But anyways, welcome back, guys. I don't know if you remember in last episode, I picked up a carbon fiber APR rear diffuser from my car. Got it for a freaking killer deal. I got it for $40. It usually goes between about $500 and $700. So really good deal. But you know, if you remember, it is cracked. If you don't remember, I'll put a picture of it right here to show the damage of it. I didn't know if I was actually going to be able to fix it or not, but I've actually started working on it. Taking the clear coat off, gonna re-clear it, and try and make it look as good as possible. I'm new to all of this, so take it easy on me. I'm not gonna do it perfect the first time, I know. This is actually just practice. I've actually started working on a little bit, so I'll show you guys here. I've actually been able to sand it down quite a good bit. I'm almost done with this crack right here. I've got these cracks kind of taken care of. And then I've actually already got a layer of clear coat along the edge here. That one was completely faded out. I was actually able to sand all that off fairly easily. But like I said, take it easy on me. I know I have no idea what I'm doing. You don't have to let me know. If you have any tips though, as far as like how to continue doing this a little bit better, please let me know. But anyways, we're gonna get back to work on here. What I'm doing here is I actually picked up a sander from Walmart. I'm using a 150 grit sandpaper right now to take off this, the top layer of this clear coat right here. I am wet sanding. I've got my hose right over here. Got the Scuba so properly parked right there. And this is some more stuff that I got. I'm using the 100 grit sandpaper right now. We'll switch over to the 220. Then when we get close, I've got the 400, the 1000, and the 1500. I know this is a time-consuming process, so I'm kind of just taking my time on it, but honestly the clear coat that I've done along the edge, I know the lighting's kind of bad in here, the clear coating I've done along the edge has made this look amazing already so far. My plan is to be able to get all of these cracks out. Let's actually, let's give it a little bit of water. So as you can see, it's starting to look a lot better already. I just got a couple more layers of this clear coat to get off of here before I can re-clear that. I think it's going to look honestly way better, although I know it's not going to be perfect. So I actually just got done ordering a custom decal for my car. It's going to kind of cover up a little bit of this back portion right here. That's going to be okay. Once that comes in, I'll show you guys what it looks like. We'll make sure we get this installed on the car. But I mean, I am in love with this piece right here. I got a freaking sweet deal on it. And I can't wait to see what it looks like. So without further ado, let's keep working on it. Hit it with a little bit of water here. Just in the spots that I'm sanding. Do a little wet sand. Now keep in mind, this is not a DIY video. Shout out to everybody on Instagram and YouTube that actually kind of sent me some videos on how to do this. I kind of took little bits and pieces from a few of the videos I watched on how to do it, but again, this is not a DIY. This is just me vlogging, showing you guys what I'm doing to my car. And like I said in earlier videos, this is definitely a budget build. I'm not spending a ton of money when you guys see me doing these things. I'm just trying to make my car as cool as possible on a little bit of money. Just so hopefully it gives you guys some ideas of what you want to do to your car, whether it's an 86 or anything like that. But I mean, I got a couple layers left to go on this clear coat right here, but I cannot wait to see what it looks like on this car. Let's keep working. I switched over to some 220 grit sandpaper, so let's see what happens. See some of these cracks starting to disappear. Slowly but surely. Alright, so it's been a couple hours, but I've sanded it down a pretty good bit. Right now I am using a 400 grit sandpaper. Try not to break anything here, but using a 400 grit sandpaper to get down to these fine scratches. So I'm going to use this 400 and now I'm going to switch over to the 1000. After the 1000, I'll switch over to the 3000. I've decided that I'm probably not going to be able to get all of these cracks out, considering one, I don't know exactly what I'm doing, and two, I actually found a small actual crack right here in the actual diffuser itself. The camera picks it up, but when I actually put it on the car, I could barely even tell that it was there. So what I'm going to finish doing here is I'm going to sand the rest of this down, clean it really, really well, get some rubbing alcohol, and then I'm going to actually put some clear coat on it. Whatever is left after this, it's only going to be a crack from about here to about right here. And the decal, I got a custom decal I just ordered that will actually cover up that entire thing. Other than that, this carbon fiber is shining like brand new right now. I'm not going to be able to make it perfect. That's okay. It's 40 bucks. I think one day down the road I'll actually have somebody that knows what they're doing that'll be able to come over here and help me. I've actually been in contact with a couple of my friends who have actually done this before and know how to do it, know the science behind it, so we'll make this perfect in the near future. But we're gonna go ahead and finish this up and put it on the car. Here goes nothing. Alright guys, it's been a few days. Probably saw it on Instagram. I put it on my story the other night, but I actually was able to clear coat my diffuser, and I'm just here to keep it real with you guys. I have no idea what I'm doing. I did not even come close to finishing it. I figured out it's probably not just the clear coat that's cracked. I don't know what the name is of it, but some sort of resin right under it. It's got big holes in it. It's kind of cracked. So basically, once I finished sanding it and I put another layer of a couple of layers of clear coat on there, polish it up, it started looking really, really good, which is why I put it on my Instagram story the other night. But of course, the next day, 24 hours later, it's pretty much back to normal how it looked before. But like I said, just here to keep it real with you guys. I really don't know what I'm doing, so for right now, I'm going to stop doing it. I was able to kind of get a little temporary mount on the car, so I'll kind of show you guys. It is really, really hot. It's really sunny right now. And we're in the middle of September. But anyways, I'm not sure how good the camera's picking it up, but it's actually really, really shiny. You can still definitely see the cracks and the little holes in the resin right here. But at certain angles from the car, it pretty much looks perfect. It's very shiny. Even just the carbon fiber, I mean, not just the carbon fiber, but the extra little parts down there that gives this diffuser a little bit more of an aggressive look, in my opinion. So I really, really like it. I'm not just gonna quit right now. I'm gonna actually end up finishing it very, very soon. Once I have some professional help, somebody that actually knows what they're doing with body work, with paint, clear coat, I figured I would quit while I was ahead and not destroy the diffuser any more than it already is. Plus, it's workable. It looks pretty good. I sanded it for probably 4 or 5 hours, even after the clear coat, just with different higher grade sandpaper, and then put a nice little polish on it. Let's see, what polish should I use? Found some of this, some Duragloss clear coat polish. So it kind of brought it back to that like new shininess at least. So we'll get over the cracks. I did order something that I can put over it temporarily. I got a decal on the way. Hopefully it looks good. We'll see. I didn't spend hardly any money on it. Got a really good deal from ordering from them before. So we'll be able to put that over the broken parts on the back and see how it looks from there. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to finish that, but we probably have some more projects on the way between now and then. Let me know if you guys like these kinds of videos. Just trying to show you guys a little bit more of my life, what I'm doing in my time off and my spare time. Me and Sarah, we're still keeping up with our weight loss, with working out every single day. As a matter of fact, Sarah's upstairs right now. We're about to head to my sister's little bridal shower party, and then we got another one this weekend. We have some traveling coming up at the beginning of October. My sister's getting married. We'll be going down to St. Thomas, U.S. Virgin Islands, bringing you guys with me. I rented a car, nothing exciting, but we got some good, we're gonna have some good adventures down there. We're staying in a massive mansion. Can't wait to show you guys that. We'll go to probably a couple car shows this weekend. I'll try and bring the camera with me, get some good footage, and until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.